Hey, if you love golf as much as Jen here does, and she really loves golf, this place may be exactly what you're looking for.
Welcome to 128 Flagway in Paso Robles, sitting right on the 6th hole of Paso Robles Golf Club.
This is a single level end unit condo in the tucked away country club estates.
Inside, you've got just over 1,100 square feet of comfortable, low-maintenance living, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and open layout that just feels right.
The kitchen has granite countertops, updated appliances, and modern lighting, and opens up to a spacious living room with a cozy fireplace and a mix of tile and carpet underfoot.
This is the best part, the covered patio with the front row seat to the fairway. Whether you're unwinding after a round or just sipping your morning coffee, it's a pretty great view.
The HOA covers exterior maintenance, landscaping, and even road upkeep, which makes life here that much easier. And location-wise, you're just minutes from downtown Paso. Great restaurants, local schools, and of course, some amazing wineries.
So, whether you're downsizing, investing, or just looking for a low-key place with big golf course vibes, 128 Flagway is definitely worth a look. Give us a call to schedule your private showing before someone else tees up this opportunity.